3 key vocabulary phrases from our real-life English conversation. If you enjoyed this conversation breakdown method, I want to invite you to join me and thousands of other motivated English learners in the Fearless Fluency Club. Inside the Fearless Fluency Club, every single month you will continue to express yourself clearer by immersing yourself in real-life conversations, growing your vocabulary, your phrasal verbs, speaking clearer with pronunciation lessons, and you will also get the chance to join me every single week, ask me questions directly in a live lesson, plus you'll get the chance to speak together. This is really the key to be able to grow your speaking skills, having more and more speaking practice, and connecting with other people. That's the goal of language, right? You need to be able to express yourself. And inside the course, many of my students are very happy with their experience. Let me share with you. Matisha says, the Fearless Fluency Club is just the best thing I have ever seen. You teach real English, which makes you the best English teacher. Aw, thank you for your kind words. My student Ibrahim said, I was discussing with my colleagues at work and she said, Ibrahim, what a sudden change in the way you speak English. You have improved a lot. You sound like an American. Ibrahim, I'm so happy for you that you have improved a lot, and I want all of you to be able to improve as well. So how can you join us in the Fearless Fluency Club? All you need to do is click on the link in the description, but make sure you do that now because right now we are running a special offer where you can get the first month in the course for only $5. This means that you can test it out, see if it works for you. No hesitation, no risk. You can join us, and I would love to be your teacher. So click the link in the description and join us in the Fearless Fluency Club. Well, thank you so much for learning English with me, and I'll see you again next Friday for a new lesson here on my YouTube channel. Bye! But wait, do you want more? I recommend watching this video next where you will get another chance to immerse yourself in a real-life conversation with my 2 neighbors, Lindsay and Danny. Here you will be able to express yourself better and remember the vocabulary that you learned in this real-life conversation. I'll see you there.